can't see the front of it.
I think I'll just have a randomized pick one.
Put the money in the top. Cha-ching! No, wait, in the slide. Cha-ching!
Okay. Boop, boop.
What did it vend?
The shot cannon.
Cute.
I don't know the name of it, but
She made a vending machine.
Mommy. Okay.
It looks terrible because it's made out of
Yeah, it looks really bad, but
the
macaroni box.
macaroni box and the
Tape and plastic wrap. It looks really bad, but it's really fun to play with.
my big giant leg.
So now, oh look, someone used my vending machine and it's almost empty. I better restock it. There. That should be good. Hey, a vending machine. I should play. I have 50 cents. Let's get something. I'll type in random. Doot doot.
What'd you get?
I got a glitch.
Cool, I gave you 2.
There was a glitch. I got this Shopkin, which I don't know the name of, and this little Squinky
Awesome.
with hair.